When you're customizing pieces in your interactive closet, you may find that you have categorized an item in the wrong place and would like to move it to another location. While the team is developing a more streamlined approach to recategorizing items within the interactive, I'll guide you through the current methods to accomplish this in the meantime. Let's navigate to the closet to get started. Under the Tops category, we can see that I have a cream Free People sweater saved as the color sweater within my closet. However, I would like to use this piece as my neutral slouchy sweater instead. Here's how to do this. Within the color sweater entry, we'll tap Edit to initiate the recategorization. Ideally, using the original photo of the item, if available, will provide the best outcome. If not, capturing a screenshot of the item will work. I no longer have the image saved for this sweater, so I will use the screenshot method here. If you are on your computer, use the screenshot or snipping tool to take a photo of the customized item. You want to ensure you're as close to the item's edge as possible. Note, if you're on a mobile device, you can use the screenshot tool and crop the image accordingly. Now, we'll tap Revert to Example Piece Image to remove the existing image and use the original Front Fighters item in its place. However, if you have another color sweater you'd like to use here, you can select Upload and add the image now. Once you have the entry as you'd like it, finalize the changes by tapping Update. Back in the closet, we see that the color sweater entry has been updated. Next, we'll transfer the newly captured screenshot to the neutral slouchy sweater category. Once again, we'll tap Edit to get started. Next, I'll upload the screenshot I just took. We'll crop and remove the background, enter any details, and tap Update. In the closet, we see the cream sweater is now my neutral slouchy sweater. And that's how to recategorize a closet item that has already been customized.